Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be talking about a few fragrances I picked up in the last couple of months from the Nordstrom anniversary sale, the outlets that are near me, and just kind of seeing if they're thumbs up or thumbs down. So stay tuned. Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. So if you're new here, my channel's my channel's all about treating yourself to a little bit of luxury, whether that be high-end perfume, everyday skincare, high-end skincare, handbags, your cup of coffee, whatever makes you feel a little bit better about yourself, because you deserve it. Today we're going to be talking about a few items I've picked up. One I picked up at the Nordstrom anniversary sale, and two I picked up at the cosmetic company outlet. If you saw my monthly vlog, you might have seen the details, so I won't go into how much they were and all that kind of stuff. That was in that vlog, so feel free to, I'll link it up above. Feel free to watch that if you want some information on how to get some of these fragrances at a discount. So the first thing I picked up here was the Replica fragrance set from the Nordstrom anniversary sale, and I believe this was $92. It comes with the candle and the scent, and dumb me didn't even notice that it says oh, it doesn't on here, but it's so funny. Online it says men's fragrance. Oh, how funny. So when I was reading it online, I'm like, oh, if I had known it was completely a men's fragrance, I probably wouldn't have picked it up, because when I opened the box, it was like whack in the face. I shouldn't say it's off-putting, but it's definitely a lot heavier than what I thought it was going to be. So I'm really hesitant to even spray. So I think I'm going to send it back to Nordstrom's, because I'm getting a lot from the candle itself. So on here, that gives you a description of what it should make you feel like. So originally Jazz Club, Brooklyn 2013, heady cocktails and cigars, the description, and memory in a candle is on this. And on the bottle it says memory in a fragrance. So I'm hesitant to even spray it, because again, like I said, I want to probably return it. And it's got this very interesting pungence to it that I can't quite place at first scent. So I went to Fragrantica and I have the notes. Let me get them up here real quick. So pink pepper, neroli, and lemon are top notes. I don't think it's the pink pepper, because I have quite a few things with pink pepper. I've got Wonder Woman, and I've got that one Kayali, which I'm completely blanking on. It has pink pepper in it. I don't think it's that. The middle notes are rum, Java vetiver oil, and clary sage. Maybe. The base notes are tobacco leaf, vanilla bean, and styrax. So just about everything here I have in other fragrances. So I was actually thinking this was going to be right up my alley, because I really like the tobacco. I really like vanilla bean, rum, pink pepper, neroli, lemon, all of that, vetiver. The clary sage, I don't know how much I have of that, and I don't really know styrax, so I'm wondering if that possibly is the scent I'm smelling. But at this point, I can't say that I'm loving it, so I'm not even going to spray it. I have to say that reviews and other videos I've watched on it have kind of put me off of it. Definitely, from what I'm seeing, it definitely is for a man, and my husband doesn't like these types of scents. So we lean towards, for this kind of smoky cigar jazz club feeling thing, Bois d'Argent from Dior would be something he would wear, or I really like this on him as well, Bad Boys from Killian. It's got a little bit of that pungent, like kind of sharp citrus scent, but it's got that deep smell. So that's what I would rather have. So unfortunately, at this point, I'm going to say that this is a no. so the next thing, the things I want to review really quickly are something I was really excited about picking up, this Cafe Tuberosa from Atelier Cologne. And this is the packaging. And I really love that it comes with, this is the inner box here, but the outer sleeve is very just descriptive of what is in the fragrance. So I really enjoy that. So when I first opened the box, I was a little bit concerned because the sample that I tried smelled really great. And this, when I first opened the box, was like medicinal. Can I say that? And that was a little bit concerning. So the first thing, and I'm trying to think of what, like camphor, like a camphor smell. That's what I was getting, and I don't recall that being the case in the sample. Granted, though, the gal that was helping me sprayed it first and did that and then handed it to me, so that might have been something I didn't know at the time. So this one is made of Guatemalan cardamom, Calabrian bergamot, Sicilian mandarin, coffee is the middle note, Indian tuberose, rose oil, base notes are cacao, and Madagascan vanilla. So it just seemed like a great scent for the fall and getting ready for that. So let me spray this. Okay, see, there it is. Yeah. So in the bottle, it is quite scary. So you definitely have to spray this to get the smell. Oh yeah. So there's the cocoa, there's that coffee, the vanilla, just the smoothness of it. And this to me evokes cigar, jazz club. So I'm thinking, when I smell this, I'm thinking this. So that's very interesting, and why this one's going to go back is this one to me is evoking the scent of the jazz club. And I mean, the more I smell it, the more I'm thinking, cozy cafe vibes as well, but by the fireplace, just, I love it. So I cannot wait for colder days. I mean, right now it's August, so still in the warm weather, but oh, this is going to be fantastic to smell. So I'm so excited that I was able to pick it up. Now, Atelier Cologne is no longer in America, so you can only get it at outlets, various resellers. So if you can find it, pick them up. So this was originally $140.85 at the cosmetic. I'm sorry, this is the luxury beauty store where you get these. And then they had it at $40. So that was the final price. So basically 75% off. Excellent deal. And this is a 100 ml bottle. So I have got plenty to go around. So very excited about that. And then lastly, the other thing that I picked up, I got 2 of them, was this Love Osmanthus. And this one I initially tried in the advent calendar from 2020. And this one just is a wonderful citrus scent. So it evokes California Dream and oh gosh, I'm completely blank on the other Louis Vuitton scent, but the one, the other multicolored bottle. And every time I think about it, I think I blank. But I own California Dream, and this is why I think about it. But the top note is Italian lemon. Middle note is Chinese osmanthus, and base note is cedar. And it's just a really beautiful, fresh, in fact, I believe I was wearing it yesterday. I didn't wear any fragrance today because I'm still kind of smell like whatever. So I'm going to go ahead and spray it on me. Yeah, it's just so fresh. It's fresh and clean. And it's what I wanted Lemon Island to be. Because again, top note, Italian lemon. Lemon Island, it's still not growing on me, and I'm so sad that I got a giant bottle of that and not this. But eventually, I'm hoping it will grow on me, or maybe I'll just layer the 2 of them. But I was able to get 2 of these. This is the, come completely blanking. 10 mil spray, and they were like $5 each. So $10 for both of them. And I just said I wasn't going to tell you about the pricing and all that kind of stuff. So I lied. But anyway, if you can find Atelier Cologne anywhere near you, do not hesitate to try out any of their fragrances. I love this brand. I am devastated they're no longer in our market, and whenever I come across them, I sniff and see and pick something up. I was able to, again, get that advent calendar several years ago, so I was able to try a lot of their scents ahead of time. So I have my eyes out, and I really want to get a vanilla incense in the largest size I can find, if I can ever hunt one down. So I'm on eBay, I'm on different websites looking for it. So if you see one, let me know in the comments. I will run and buy that baby in 2 seconds. But this was a great buy. I love it. So makes up for Jazz Club, and unfortunately that's going to go back, and we'll move on and wait. I have a couple of other things that are in the Nordstrom sale. So I've got the Hermes quad, that's a bunch of florals to try out. I'm a little disappointed. I already gave you a little bit of spoiler when I didn't read again, I wasn't reading. I didn't read the description, and they aren't perfumes. They are eau de toilettes. So that was a bummer, because last year's they were perfumes. So for the price, I expected more. So that's disappointing. And then the other items I got are a bunch of Joe Malones. So I'm waiting for those to come. And, oh, and Tom Ford. I have a Tom Ford set as well that's coming. So that hasn't arrived yet. Once those come, I will get some videos up and tell you all about those. So take care, y'all. Bye.